Three engineering rules, one workspace in Altium Develop. One of the biggest reasons hardware products slow down is that each engineering discipline is solving the right problem from its own local perspective, but nobody is operating from the same shared context. The PCB designer sees layout realities, the firmware engineer sees interface and bring up needs, and the mechanical engineer sees enclosure and fit constraints. All of them are right, but the product still stalls because the work is fragmented. In this video, the focus is on how three engineering roles can use one Altium Develop workspace without facing everyone into the same daily tool. The value is not sameness, the value is shared awareness. A typical cross-discipline hardware project creates blind spots almost by default. The PCB team makes a placement decision that affects connector access. Firmware discovers later that a debugging approach now becomes harder. Mechanical reviews happen separately, so enclosure issues appear after the board has already moved forward. Then everyone has a meeting to synchronize, but that meeting is only a temporary patch over the real issue, which is that each discipline is maintaining its own version of reality. Changes travel slowly. The impact of one discipline's decision on another discipline's work is often noticed too late. This creates frustration because no one feels intentionally uncooperative, yet the organization keeps behaving as if information must be translated manually between teams. Altium Develop gives these roles a shared workspace where the product story is visible across disciplines. The PCB designer can stay deep in design work in Altium Designer, but the workspace captures the collaboration around that work. The firmware engineer can follow the same project context through linked tasks, requirements, issues, and discussions. The mechanical engineer can participate through ECAD, MCAD collaboration, and shared project visibility. What matters is that all three can see the same project signals, comment streams, and evolving decisions. If a connector moves, the effect is not hidden inside one discipline's process. If firmware depends on a certain pinout or physical placement, that dependency can remain visible in the same collaborative environment. The workspace becomes a translation layer for the product, not just a folder of files, and that means decision become easier to coordinate earlier while change is still manageable. This shared context lowers the cost of coordination across the whole project. Mechanical constraints stop arriving as late stage surprises. Firmware planning can happen against a more stable, visible understanding of the hardware. PCB designers no longer have to act as the human bridge carrying information between roles. Managers benefit too because they can see cross discipline risk in one place rather than collecting updates separately. Most importantly, the team begins to think of the product as one connected system rather than separate streams of work that occasionally meet in a review. If your current project feels technically strong but organizationally fragmented, pilot a shared Altium Develop workspace with one PCB designer, one firmware engineer, and one mechanical lead. Keep the scope small and focus on one board or subsystem. The goal is not to replace every existing tool overnight. The goal is to create one place where the product context stay connected as the work moves.